has to do to his. Yeah, do it to yours.
I like the back pressure.
Back pressure?
And the old too. I gotta hit that tune out.
When someone does a burnout, you stay back. I think it's clean. Oh, I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Damn. I think that was the Hellcat. Yeah, that was a Hellcat. I don't know what that was, but baby GTR. Alright, so the cops just pulled up and this dude just did a burnout right in front of the cops. I think the cops are gonna block everything off right now. They're probably going to block all the exits, and they only let you go out one exit, and they just run all your plates. But this dude was sending it this whole time. And there was a cop over there for the music, and now they just turned on their music again. Yeah, that's weird.
At stage 2 enough, I guess. You don't need it then. I didn't know that.
You should look into it.
Because I know the 4-inch down there on mine comes with the plug.
Dude was like, oh yeah, look at the piece.
I'm still going to leave it on no matter what.
420 is like cat code.
That's catless.
You don't want that.
I'm going to leave it in no matter what.
I'd put it in. Just get a longer like cord or wire to like wire it back up top.
But the 4-inch down plug I want comes with the plug.
Stay away. Almost took these guys out.
The cops are sure.
Yeah, what the hell?
Yeah, the 4-inch down plug I want comes with the bolt that you just fill the hole with.
He's got the exhaust down there. The quad tip exhaust in the back, but he has a hood down. It's awesome.
So maybe it's not bad.
Just send it. The Subi's back. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
That's clean. Wait, what'd you say?
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, what channel do you have?
Just read his car shit, motorcycles. I see you got the titanium inlet.
Yep. Alright, you're good.
So what is this, a 27.1 right here?
No, it's a PLM turbo manufacturing.
Okay, and then you got the, is this PRL inlet?
No, it's all PLM. Everything that touches my turbo is PLM.
Okay.
The intercooler, hard charge pipes, turbo inlet.
Is that a race map?
Yep.
Race map sensor? What kind of intercooler you got?
PLM.
PLM? And then what is, I see you got the Hassport mounts.
Yep.
That's what I gotta get.
Yeah. Well, these are PLM, so they're 70 duro, but the Hassport that I have sitting in my garage are 82 duro.
You big turboed?
No, not yet.
Stock turbo?
Yeah.
Look at that HKS. That thing barely fits.
And it does recirculate.
Yeah, I see that.
There's the pipe goes in, I got a hose that goes all the way across the top of the radiator back to the intake.
I see right here.
Yeah.
Got you. Yeah, I know those come like recirculating, but you have to get that little adapter that you got.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that adapter from?
So this kit came with all of this, and then I had to buy the adapter that goes into the bottom of it.
Yep.
That was like $40.
Got you. You got a race skid plate?
So what?
You got the skid plate done too?
Yes.
Underneath?
Yes.
Strut brace. What else you got done? Is that about it for now?
I got Swift R springs.
Okay.
What fucking True Heart camber arms and tow arms in the rear.
Gotcha. Here all battery tie down.
Got R1 Concepts.
Brakes
Yeah.
and rotors.
Yep.
Gotcha.
All four corners.
That's what I was gonna get. Oh, I like those too. Those side markers are nice. R1 Concept brakes, pads. I was gonna get those same pads and rotors.
Gotta get the hood spacer, get all that hot air on.
Okay, I was wondering why your hood was cracked like that.
Yep.
Okay, I see now.
Yeah, because
you got E85?
It actually seals all the heat in.
Okay.
So, like, now I have, my gasket doesn't touch at all the hot air blowing goes straight over the hood. So I don't have to worry about, like, engine temps getting too hot. Like, the intercooler stays at 100 in the summer. So for IATs are 100, and the only time it ever goes up is if I'm fucking sitting there idling.
Idling, yeah.
Like on the way here, it was like 68 the whole way.
Gotcha.
For IATs.
I like that titanium inlet.
Yeah. Catalyst down pipe, front pipe, Gemini NVIDIA exhaust. I cut out the resonator.
Gotcha. So you're straight pipe.
Yeah, it's just got the 3 little cans on the back for
Yeah.
the NVIDIA. Tuned on 2-step performance.
Alright.
Well, I guess we got to leave.
Tuned on 2-step performance. Alright. Yeah, I'd close your hood before.
Yeah, two-step performance
Gotcha.
+1 race 2.
It looks like the cops are running people over here.
It'd be like that.
Trying to get this on video. A cocoa everywhere. That's alright. One's pulled over there. Some guys pulled over. Looks like a Beamer.
I hear a bunch of sirens.
Sirens everywhere. Where's the rest of the cops? Where they at? Where they at? That thing is weird. Whoa. Oh, it's that bike. We know he's running.
Piece of shit's gonna fall apart.
Yeah.
Cool. I don't like that.
Oh, they're blocking us? where it's going though. People. Oh, he's coming this way. But yeah, they're just chasing people. What'd you say?
We were just waiting for our cars to warm up.
Yeah. Just be like, we weren't even a part of it. We just saw nice cars and just decided to pull up. You know what I'm saying? It's alright. It was a good race though. I mean, a good meet. Oh, it was kind of cool. Pretty wild. People be testing the cops though, and then they're like,
I'm like, oh, I got pulled over, fuck the police. Like, yeah, dumbass.
You asked for it. I don't know why they stopped that truck though. Obviously there's something.
He was revving it.
He was revving it? Oh, there we go. He probably caught him for a modified exhaust. Right, Josh?
Not me. You
wait, stop, say hi to the camera.
We'll make the vlog and
shit. Alright. Yeah, there's a sheriff right there. The rest of them, like, mainly left. They're probably chasing people down. That's Tay.